Hello dear learners, I'm back with a new video. Today we are going to learn about Russian numbers from 41 to 50. Здравствуйте, дорогие ученики! Сегодня мы изучим русские числа от 41 до 50. So let's go. Поехали! Before we start, don't forget to check out my previous videos on Russian alphabets and Russian numbers from 0 to 40. Russian numbers from 41 to 49 follow a similar pattern. It's Sorak plus the number 41. Sorak plus Adin, Sorak Adin. Again, Sorak Adin. 42. Sorak plus Dwa, Sorak Dwa. Again, Sorak Dwa. 43. Sorak plus 3, Sorak 3. Again, Sorak 3. 44. Sorak plus Chittiri, Sorak Chittiri. Again, Sorak Chittiri. 45. Sorak plus Pyat, Sorak Pyat. Again, Sorak Pyat. 46. Sorak plus Shest, Sorak Shest. Again, Sorak Shest. 47. Sorak plus Sem, Sorak Sem. Again, Sorak Sem. 48. Sorak plus Vosem, Sorak Vosem. Again, Sorak Vosem. 49. Sorak plus David, Sorak David. Again, Sorak David. 50. Piddisiat. Again, Piddisiat. We just completed Russian numbers from 41 to 50. Wasn't it easy? So now let's revise it once again. Sorak Adin, Sorak Dwa, Sorak 3, Sorak Chittiri, Sorak Pyat, Sorak Shest, Sorak Sem, Sorak Vosem, Sorak David, Piddisiat. So that was all about Russian numbers from 41 to 50. Let me know in the comments section if you have any questions or query, and I'll be happy to answer. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, Learn with Adnan. And do not miss to press the bell icon for more update. See you soon. Paka paka.